Question 94 is all about pizza. Wait, I mean counting. I have pizza on my brain. I love pizza, and it has to be New York style. So let's look at this problem. We've got 3 different sizes of pizza: small, medium, or large. We also have a choice of 7 different toppings. The question is, how many pizzas could I possibly choose? How many arrangements of pizzas are possible? So how will we go about this? Well, the size part is pretty easy. I have a choice of 3 different sizes. How about my toppings? I have to choose 2 toppings. But wait, I have 7 to choose from. So how might I think about that? Well, logically, the first choice I make, I have 7 different toppings I could choose from, right? My first choice would essentially have 7 different options. This is going to be a little bit hard to draw, but I'll make an attempt. Okay, that would be 7. That's my first pick of the toppings. Well, wait a second. I then have to choose another topping. Well, how many toppings are left to choose from? Because there's no point in choosing mushrooms and mushrooms again. I'm not going to get double mushrooms. So what could I choose? Well, any of the other 6 choices. And by the way, if I'm thinking about all the arrangements, for the first 7 choices I had, each one is going to have the 6 potential additional choices. Now it's getting crazy drawing this out, but if you can imagine, at each tree branch, I have another 6 choices for my second pick of toppings. This is actually what we call our counting principle in action. So this would be 7 choices times 6 choices for my second pick. And we might think we're done here, but be careful. Remember, the choice of toppings does not depend on the order. In other words, if I had pepperoni and then I decided to order mushrooms next, that would be the exact same pizza as if I started ordering mushrooms and decided after that I'm going to add pepperoni. The same pizza will come out of the oven. So really, the order of these 2 doesn't matter, which means I'm actually double counting my number up above. I need to divide by 2, or more technically, 2 factorial, the number of elements I'm choosing factorial. If you want to learn more details about that, consult the related combinations, permutations, counting arrangements lesson video. It'll be very helpful for you to pick up and understand that. Most schools will not teach you that. So, all right, let's look at this. That's 42. 7 times 6 divided by 2 is 21 ways to choose toppings. Well, okay, this is a bigger accounting principle problem at play. If I have to choose sizes and toppings, and those are independent choices, I also need to multiply the number of ways to choose sizes times the number of ways to choose toppings, which is 3 times 21, or 63 ways in all to choose toppings and sizes for my pizza.